Imagine self-doubt as a dark cloud, fueled by past mistakes and the fear of failure. It keeps your confidence meter stuck on empty. But what if you could change the weather? It starts with your inner dialogue. Actively replace "I can't do this" with "I am capable." This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a deliberate first step. Next, build momentum by celebrating small wins. Finished a task you were dreading? That's a win. Gabaras Ben's energy? Win. Each small victory makes your confidence meter tick upwards. Action, no matter how small, starves doubt. Start seeing failure not as a final verdict, but as a lesson. Stop comparing your path to others. Your journey is yours alone. The clouds don't vanish overnight, but by taking action, talking kindly to yourself, and celebrating your progress, you'll find the sun starts to break through, one small win at a time.